Hello everybody, my name is Michael Nallen, and today I'll be showing you my Capstone project. And for those of you who don't know me, I work as a butcher at a meat shop, and so I wanted to correlate my project with my job. And so at my job, we'll have people that'll buy bulk orders of beef, and we need to be able to keep track of what they wanted in that beef, how much it's going to cost them, and if they bought it or not. And so we call that cutting instructions, as you can see right here. And so I'll just go ahead and show you right here that we have one cutting instruction for Kyle. We have his number, we have his cutting ID, we have his cutting style, which he just wants regular. We have his beef, which is a Wagyu beef. The price for that is $4,500 for him, and that we know that he has not bought it yet. And so the next part that we know is that we can go ahead and update these cutting instructions that we've made. And so as we can see right here with Philip, we use him as a test. As you can see, he has not bought his, but let's say today he came in and bought it, so I need to go ahead and change that. So I'll just go ahead and take his cutting ID, which is number 5, from right here, and then come down here, and then we'll change that false to a true. And as you can see, I have other things that we can change and update, like how he wanted the beef, the type of beef, and the price. But since I only need to change that he's now bought it, that's all I'll be doing. And after I've clicked that, I'll come back here. As we scroll down, we'll see that now, for Phil, he has bought it. And so for the next thing, I'll show you how we create these cutting instructions. So let's go ahead and give a name or have a person. So let's go ahead and use Tanner. We'll say that he just wants his beef cut regularly, that he wants a Wagyu beef. And a Wagyu beef, it can be in a range of anywhere in $4,000 or so. And then we'll say, since he just ordered it, that he has not bought it yet, so it'll be false. Go ahead and create that, and as we come back here, we'll see that we now have a new cutting instruction for Tanner, and it has all the information that we just put down. But as you can see right here, that I have 2 different cutting instructions for Franny. And I don't need, and they're exactly the same, and I don't need to have 2 copies of it because it's going to be wasting storage and be confusing as we see it. And so I'm just going to go ahead and delete one of them. So we'll go ahead and take this cutting ID of Franny, number 9. Right down in here, 9. Go ahead and click that. And as we come back to seeing all our cutting instructions, that I now only have one Franny cutting instruction. And so I built this to kind of help with my company to have a database that stores all of our cutting instructions.